So let's talk about these placeholders real quick. So I'm gonna go to my show page at the top. And the idea of placeholders, and this is where I'm thinking you're talking about, I think what Mark asked. So if I go to my shows page here, you can see all your different shows, categories, I should say. You'll see all those there, all right? But there's another cool feature in the program called templates, all right? And so here's a FreeShow Friday show. So I got this template and it defaults going into this folder that I was already in for August. So I hit enter and it has this stuff here, okay? Now, this stuff says opening session, what's new, Q&A, community questions, and then wrap up, all right? That's kind of a FreeShow Friday outline of a show. If I go back though and I edit this template, just right click on it and say edit, you'll see here now that I have some options to add in things into the show. So I can select this and I can hit the little plus sign and then I can add a placeholder. And you'll see that placeholder goes in that section called what's new. I can go here and add another one for under Q&A, and in community questions, I can add another placeholder, and then wrap up, I can add another one. Yours might look something like opening announcements and then maybe worship. And so you might have multiple placeholders in there so you can add in multiple songs, right? And I'll show you how this works. All right, so let's say this was my service. This is literally my live stream, so it works out fine for me. And I'm editing a template, okay? So your placeholders are gonna be visible to edit and create inside of a template. That's the first thing. And I say template, a project template. So I can go back out, and now I've got this FreeShow Friday still. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that old one I just made, this August 14th. We don't need that. That was just a basic pop-up, but I'm gonna do FreeShow Friday again. And it shows up in my unlisted because I didn't select a particular folder. And now you'll notice I've got placeholders here. But let's say I want these placeholders to be filled in. So I'll say, what's new? I'm going to add in. So I can select the placeholder and it says, select a show that you want to put in there. And I can just go through and find a show. So I'll put in my begin shortly show. For Q&A, I'll act like this is worship. So I'll say, select a show. And I'm going to go to, I'll do a search for Firm Foundation. I'll do this one, select a show. I'm going to do Build My Life. And then for the last placeholder, I'll do another one and I'll do Agnes D. So that's my worship, okay? And I say my worship, the Q&A, but that's the placeholder being filled in. I'm not editing the template anymore. I'm now just building my show because I selected that template and it populates a project, okay? So I'm editing my project, I should say, not my show. And I can add these pieces in, and now this is what's going on for 8/14. And I can maneuver where I want this particular project to live. So I can drag it up, say I want it to be inside of my August. And there it is now inside of August 8/14. I can rename that project and I can say, let me right click on this again, rename. And I can say FreeShow Friday 8/14. And it takes me right back in there. The only things that are placeholders now are the ones I left undone. But this is a project now that's been almost fully filled in. So I can say community questions. Let me add in something else here just so it can look, let's see here. Intro questions, goal questions. I don't know what, let's see. Renew questions. I got all kinds of cool questions. Renew and worship questions. I'll put that in there. And then wrap up. Let's see if I got a closing show. We'll do closing. All right, this is a kid script that I was working on. All right, so I have a full show here and all I did was use my placeholders that came from a pre-made template.